you have an iPad or any other tablet. Maybe it's getting old, maybe it's still new. Has it ever switched off without on back? Has it ever gone blank and you are hearing sounds inside it? Don't throw it away, there is hope. Today I'm going to show you how you can revive your iPad or probably any other tablet that's gone blank or that switched off and you cannot be able to switch it on again. So follow me up, let's do it together. Thank you. So guys, and today I want to show you guys how to on the iPad 2. If you have an iPad 2 that, for example, the thing is getting old, maybe you bought it for a long time and after some time the screen goes off, you cannot on it again, just the way my own did now. I want to show you how to on it back. So this is my iPad. I bought it in 2011. I bought it 2011 till now. 2019 should be 8 years plus. So I've used it for 8 years plus, and I think it has served me enough. But I still like it. I still want to continue using it. So I have to show you how to on it. But first of all, let me show you that it's not on. Okay, as you can see, the screen went off as it goes blank. So let me show you that it's not on. See the on button? I press it constantly. Did you see it? It didn't on. It didn't on. See the home button? Let me press it. Nothing shows. Okay, so let me now show you how to on it. If you have an iPad 2, you have to press the on button together with the home button, two of them the same time. The on button and the home button, press and hold two of them together. Just have patience. Have you seen it? Have you seen the logo has come up? So the logo has just come up, and with the logo that came up now, the iPad will open. You will now put your pin and you begin to use your iPad 2 again. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hit the bell sign to get notified whenever I put a new video. And have a nice day. Thank you for watching.